Greetings. This is the Fanuc red top. Back in the lab again today. Many thanks to Simon Rafferty, who's been communicating with me by email. I've seen a lot of comments where people have spent months, if not years, trying to get these to work. Because of Simon, I've actually got this working in less than 3 days. I'm actually kind of impressed. There's the motor spinning. I'm using a signal generator. I can speed it up. I've got some bugs to work out. I can actually change direction now finally. I gotta work that out. I noticed if I'm going slow and I change direction, it's got some noise, but that's, the signal generator and probably the coupling between the two. It's probably not the best impedance matching. But it's working. Kind of surprised. I'm in the process of trying to get a couple more. But for anybody out there that's going to upgrade a Fanuc red top, one of the older Fanuc motors, and you've got that funky position encoder, and you're worried about your commutation feedback, this Ab-3000 actually does the commutation sensing based on the connections to the actual physical motor, not to the encoder. So once you hook up the encoder, you're good to go. There's other stuff I'm going to hook up that wasn't hooked up in some of the other examples I've seen, like the temp sensor and whatnot, to the motor. Obviously, I want that information because I'm having to come up with my own tuning. So I need to know if the motor's running hot, if I got too much current feeding the motor. And so this is where I'm at. Just wanted to give a little update for those that have been following me. I'm going to be running this with a step impulse ultraware. Hey, a little note on ultraware. When I downloaded I want to show, and I apologize for the noise in the background. You see where it says the motor configuration? I didn't get that when I did the ultraware. I had to go to the DS Pro to get that motor configuration. It didn't come with it for some reason. Everybody's like, it comes with it. I'm like, I can't find it. But if anybody's having a problem finding, if you've downloaded ultraware and it's not there, the motor configuration, this is an important piece that I've not seen anywhere online. You won't be able to create your own motor and add the Fanuc. I was literally pulling my hair out Saturday night trying to figure this one out. But you can create your own Fanuc motor configuration. I've got an inductive analyzer, and I'm going to come back here and look at the induction configuration on the motor and actually put the real numbers in there. Right now I've ballparked them. Seems to be working okay. It goes through the auto tune. It goes through the commutation setup. I am a little hot coming into the motor right now, as you can tell. But for some reason, and I haven't figured out why, but I'm fixing to hook this up to an Acorn. This is my conversion. I am in the process right now of trying to find some more drives that I can afford on eBay. These 3000s are still a little pricey with no guarantee. You want a new one, they're about $1,200-$1,400, and well, doing it as a project like this, I can't afford that. So this is just a DIY project. I finally getting a VMC or got a VMC for scrap. So I'm trying to upgrade these Fanuc red tops, and I'm going to keep everybody posted as the project goes on. But I wanted to do the initial tuning configuration on the bench. That way, when I put this drive in, I'm going to do one drive at a time on the machine, and then I'll go back through another tuning and setup. But I don't want it going nuts while it's under load. I wanted to make sure I could predict it. So this is where I'm at. This is my update on this. I hope this helps anybody that's in the process of doing something like this. Excuse my shop. It's messy right here. I'd use the other lab, but the bench is full. I got to clean this off because I got to work here tonight. So, but this is my update, and if anybody has any questions on these red top Fanucs, just hit me up in the comments. More than happy to answer them. And I want to thank Simon again, Simon Lafferty. Without his help, I wouldn't have been able to get this far, this quick. Thanks, guys.